Are you going to miss the kid when he's gone?
Well, you don't sure some you got with him.
Well, people, so I tell the people them that say I got follow him. Alright, we hear people. No, this is not the Jean Richard. The Jean Richard's haircut a bit neater than this. You get me? I say not even though he looks eerily similar. This is his uncle, correct?
Yeah.
Thaddeus Brown. You'd have heard from his mother. This is his uncle, and as Craig would have said, him hype man and cameraman. I've seen many videos, on YouTube from Thaddeus's channel. With Whisper go up on his birthday and all them something there. Imagine being videoed on your birthday. That's the level that I want to be at in the future. But anyways, this is the man himself. First of all, thank you for coming on this side at Sports TV. How you feeling right now, considering that you're your nephew, but I'd say it's more like a brother. Just signed a big contract.
Well, I feel happy for him and thing. This is how him dream for still, so like how him accomplish him dream and just need to push forward and become a better at his craft. Better at his craft.
At what point did you know that Whisper was going to be a professional footballer? Because I assume you've seen him all his life. At what point did you know he was going to be a professional footballer?
Well, we grew up to play football together and all them thing there. And Whisper start to go out of port, mean like him go out of port go play football and thing. Then him get introduced to Craig Butler and the Phoenix All Star Academy. And him say him go around, the people him go around and thing they say like the lifestyle and thing, everything football make them accomplish and thing. So at them time him try to take it more serious and which is him did. So proud of him.
You, how high did you think his first contract would have been? Because me personally, I thought I would have seen a Belgium, maybe a Netherlands club. I knew that you'd be pro in a top six country, but I didn't know it would have been at a Champions League level. How high did you think his first contract was going to be?
Well, I think he might have started in a little lower league like I'll play for all Genk and those team, like the same step Liam Bailey kind of thing. But so good, it went up straight to the top. Well, he went to my club, that's my club,
Oh, Chelsea,
Chelsea.
your club.
Didier Drogba, my baller.
I really love Chelsea still, now, cause Arsenal are the biggest club in the North London still. But no, me I forgot. No, me I forgot cheer for Chelsea and them. I'm gonna find myself a cheer for Aston Villa recently. You want Aston Villa win, you want Aston Villa score goals. But I have to tell Whisper this: if you play against Arsenal, yeah, you can score still, no, bro. But me promise you, more your side lose. Anyways, that's another point right now. We're talking about when Chelsea came in. Like, were you surprised?
No, watching I was very surprised still because everybody thought it was like Newcastle and thing because he went to the trial and Newcastle. And so after that, Oyer said like he's going to Chelsea because Chelsea offer him and thing, and then Craig made the decision and Whisper. So so proud of him and very happy.
How is he feeling? Is he excited? Is he nervous? Like, speak to us if you can about what Dejan Richards thinks about the deal and the opportunity. How is he feeling?
Well, I'm very happy and everything, but the thing is now, it's like people that hate on him and say, yo, Whisper, good and all of them thing there. It's like the part them sign everything already, but he must have wait till it announced. So when it announced, at them time them gonna feel good for shame the haters them. That him really happy about himself for shame the haters them. All who are hate on them and thing there. Some of the YouTubers them and thing, we're not really calling YouTubers them and thing.
Yeah, personally, that's something that I've been waiting on to. I told this. Obviously, I'm not as involved as you are, but I, I push Whisper from a long time. It feel good for cancer. All right, see, I'm telling the same did this good. So I understand how you and him feel. And that brings to the next question. How do you feel about the hate that he's received over, I'd say, the last 2 years? Probably the most polarizing football figure in Jamaica. Getting a lot of hate and getting a lot of love. How do you feel about some of the hateful things and hurtful things that has been said to your nephew?
Well, the haters make it greater and they make it they motivate him. It's like any little thing badness about him, he may say some of it. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna say all of the thing the hates and thing are coming way. But that make him greater, like it make him meds a different way. So yo, imagine the people that say, yo, I'm even gonna score a goal, I'm even gonna this, I'm gonna work hard and I'm gonna do it. A man for him words. Believe.
Yeah, and is a man that don't talk after him do things. Him talk before and then back it up,
Yeah.
which is a respectable quality. Speak to us about his work ethic. Is he somebody that is just naturally talented, or does he really work at his craft 24/7? Does he really take football very seriously, or is he just gifted by God to be talented?
Well, why not the both of them? You see me? Like, him naturally talented and him work towards it. So, the both of them.
All right, from a standpoint, from your standpoint, what do you think are Dejan's weaknesses?
I don't think him have none right now.
You don't think he have any
I
weaknesses?
don't think so. Strength, everything. No, no weakness.
So if him not have no weakness, then what exactly do you think he could improve upon most then? Which one of his strengths do you think could use the most improving upon?
Alright, him need for like him not like defend. So that time thing, him not like really defense, but in due time him will work on it and thing adapt to the lifestyle the gameplay, you know. Europe League, English Premier League and him thing there. You see me?
Are you going to miss the kid when he's gone?
Well, you know sure so me gotta live with him.
Well, people, so tell the people them that say I got follow you.
When you see me, you know.
So where is the name of the YouTube channel again?
My YouTube channel?
Yeah.
My YouTube channel is J Pros for Life. Well, mostly we like gaming and thing, but most time we vlog. But we'll start for the vlog mostly now, you know? Because remember say people want to see Whisper, you know? So I come over my channel, Whisper on the YouTube, and make around him 20. It's all me you say right there, so? I saw we can see them say each other, and people want to say, Whisper uncle that, you know? You know?
So basically, yeah, say right now, upon this side that Sports TV say J Pros for Life, I go London.
Yeah.
Well, people, if you don't want to keep a top of Whisper, obviously, me in the inner circle like that, if you travel with him, go London. Never go stay at Jamaica, you get me? I say, but go and go subscribe to J Pros for Life for really get an inside scoop of Whisper. I've seen some of them content. I see him go up on birthday dinner and all of them type of stuff. So, yeah, so we've.
Make sure go across on Craig channel, which is the Craig Unfiltered. Yeah, so if you want more inside of Whisper, just check out them channel and you can stick to this channel so you can get the latest updates on Whisper. So just make sure that they're right so.
I'm gonna say people, these guys that I'm speaking to are his family. I'm a journalist and a Dijon Richards fan. But once again, thank you for speaking to us. I'm gonna subscribe to him channel. J Pros for Life takes on London in a few. Who knows? You know.